Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video tutorial we are going to solve another equation again, and this is gonna be another fun question. So we have square root of 15 minus x plus square root of 3 minus x equal to 6. First things, we have to give the conditional of this equation, okay? So conditional of this equation, which is 15 minus x has to be greater or equal to 0, and 3 minus x has to be greater or equal to 0. Then we got x is less than equal to 15 and x is less than equal to 3. Okay, so that will be equivalent to x has to be less than or equal to 3. Alright, so now we have already given the conditional of this equation. Then next step, we need to solve it. So I have to move one square root of the first side to the right hand side. So we move 6 minus 3 minus x here, and then the next step, raise both sides of the equation with squares. So we raise 15 minus x square equal to 6 minus 3 minus x also raised to square. Okay, so then we will get 15 minus x equal to, so we are going to use the formula a minus b raised to square. Okay, so that will be 6 square minus 2 times 6 square root of 3 minus x plus 3 minus x raised to square. 15 minus x equal to 36 minus 12, 3 minus x, and then plus 3 minus x. So we can cancel negative x and negative x here. Okay, and then we will get 15 equal to 39 minus 12 square root of 3 minus x. Okay, and then we can move this to the left hand side, and then we take 15 to the right hand side, so we will get 39 minus 15. Okay, and then 12 square root of 3 minus x equal to 24, and then we will get square root of 3 minus x equal to 24 divided by 12, and then we get square root of x, and then we get square root of 3 minus x equal to 2. So raise both sides of the equation with square again, and we get square and 2 square. So then we will get 3 minus x equal to 4. Okay, so then negative x equal to 4 minus 3, negative x equal to 1, then x equal to negative 1. Okay, so then finally x is equal to negative 1 is the root of the equation. Therefore x equal to negative 1 is the root of the equation. Okay, so now I have solved this equation. I hope you can understand, and thank you so much for watching, and goodbye. See you in the next video.